What's up guys? I'm Josh with Colorado Off-Road Engineering. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do my 5,000 mile service on my 2019 Tacoma. So we're going to be checking the tire pressure, rotating the tires, replacing our in-cab air filter, our main engine air filter, and doing a full oil change on my Tacoma. Stay tuned to the end and I will link the oil change video that I have for a 3rd gen Tacoma. As always, I'm going to show you guys how to do all these steps in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. Now to change your main engine air filter, we're going to pop the hood. Now there are 2 clips on either side of your air box. We're going to put both down and lift up. Take out our old air filter. Grab the new filter, put it right back in the same spot. Make sure that this top housing inserts into these bottom 2 loops there, like so. And we're going to take both of the clips, flip them back up. To replace the in-cab air filter, open up your glove box. Now lift up on this whole panel. There's this tab and this tab. We're going to unlatch both of those. There is our air filter. Take your new filter. I'm going to slide that right back in. Take this plastic piece right back on. And put the cover back in. Check your tire pressure on all 4 wheels. Make sure they're set to whatever pressure you desire. Add some air if any of your tires are low. Now to rotate the tires, we're going to start by braking all of the lugs. Now with the truck in gear and the emergency brake on, I'm going to jack up the rear axle until the tires are off the ground and place 2 jack stands underneath. Now jack up the front end of the truck on this center jack point until your wheels are off the ground. We're going to swap the front and rear tires on the passenger side. Now put your front tire on first because it's being supported by the jack. And then the rear. Drop the truck down slowly on the front, remove the rear jack stands, and then tighten all the lug nuts. Now the last thing you guys are going to want to do is a full oil change. I'm going to link above to the oil change video that I have for a 3rd gen Tacoma. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if there's any other maintenance items that you'd like me to show you all the steps on how to do them in less than 2 minutes, leave a comment below. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys next time.